What's up everybody? We're back to another video, and for today's video, pupunta tayong SM. I'm also testing out the GoPro Hero 11 with media mod, and I'm using the external microphone that's connected to the media mod. Right now, nakababa yung visor natin. And let's see if the audio is okay. Sorry, I had to check if it's working. I had to check if the settings was okay. Oops, also. So what am I supposed to say? This is my first time at MOTOVLOG. I don't know if my voice sounds different because I was sick for 7 days. Exactly 7 days. So pag napunan kayo, iligo nyo na agad. Sheesh, I'm nervous. It's my first time doing this MOTOVLOG. Let me say today. Time check, 2:54 in the afternoon. Let's take one. Is it still recording? Bulacan to QCS yung tuloy. Feels weird kasi first time ko mag-motor and then may GoPro. I hope the audio is clear. Woo! Parang mas glossy siya compared sa vlog. We are now approaching Harmony Live. I guess I'm still sick. So after a week nakapag-motor na ako. Is it still recording? Kung pagpipiliin between Aerox and ADV kasi naastigan ako sa design ng ADV. Kuya ang pas hindi na ako mag-akas. If you watched my video about our past, that sucks. Oops, ano pa yung GoPro ka? Diyan ako nag-gym pa. So, keep it safe. Come on. Let me check my GoPro. It's not relative. Okay, it's recording. We are approaching Gethsemane. Diyan kami sa church. Diyan kami nag-church, buong family, nung maliliit pa kami. Recently ko lang nalaman yung meaning na Gethsemane. If you read the Bible, Gethsemane, does not praise Jesus 3 times. Ayun yung name ng place or ng garden sa paanan ng bundok sa Jerusalem. Streetworks gym. Yan ang gym dati, siguro twice lang. We are approaching Bugado Hospital. We're from a different place. Pag naligaw ako dito sa Kapag. Pwede siyang meeting place. Bugado, alam yan. Tapos, eto na yung place natin. We are approaching, ito na yung Kapag. Yung dati namin baka. Diyan ako lumaki. However, sinuko na namin yung lupa. It's a long story. And every time na nadadaan ako ng ako, it brings back so much memories. Kabataan namin, kami masusunsan. Every occasions meron. Daan, Pasko, New Year. New Year is the best. New Year is yung talagang pinaghadaan. Kasi saya, let's go! Our approaching Zapote. Nadadaanan natin yung bahay ng best friend. Okay na ba? Guys, lumabas ka dyan! Lumabas ka dyan! Sheesh! Nakalabas pala yung mic. That's unfortunate. I'm not sure if naririnig pa rin yung boses. from the previous video. That's unlucky. Bad trip, nakababa pala yung microphone. So I'm not sure if naririnig ba yung boses ko? My goodness. Ay, malas. So useless yung video ko kanina. Parang ewan naman yung mic ko nalaglag. Mamaya ko pa malalaman kung okay pa rin yung audio from the first video. Kasi yung mic nalaglag. Eh di wow kuya. Open pipe ba yun? Ano to? Caloocan City Hall. Oops! Kuya! So medyo malapit na tayo sa SM Fairview. Namiss ko magmotor. Hopefully, makapag motovlog soon sa malayo pa. Gusto ko makalayo ng konti. May mga napapanood akong motovloggers. Like, motor sila from QC to Baguio. Yung ganun. Meron naman, punta silang Marilake, which is sa Tanay Rizal. Let's go! Wow, big bike. Big bike na classic. So, ano yun eh, manual. Hindi pa ako marunong sa manual. Automatic lang muna. Hopefully, matutunan natin yan. Oops! Ayan yung church ni Redford White. Oops! Slow down muna tayo. Slow down pero sumingit. Yay! Malapit na tayo. Time check, 3:21. What time ba yung time check natin kanina? Time check, 2:54 in the afternoon. Let's go! Ako yung mic ko na naman nalaglag. Kuya tricycle! So pagdating ko sa SM Fairview or sa FT, check ko yung video mamaya kung gumagana yung audio kasi nalaglag yung mic. But that's okay, this is just a test. First time natin nilabas si GoPro Hero 11 with the media mod and external microphone. And we are here. Wait, mag-park tayo dito sa sa taas po. Thank you, boss. Taas na daw, boss. Sabi sa taas na daw eh. Ayun, maluwag dito. Dito tayo. Time check, 3:24. First time ko mag-park dito sa taas. Okay. So, I'll see you in a while. Goodbye.